What's up, YouTube? I got a surprise for y'all today. So, your wonderful FedEx just dropped me off 2 giant freaking packages. Can y'all take a guess what the hell's in the boxes before I open them? There's one. How big that box is. And then, we got one more box right there. All from the boys over at Summit Racing. I love them. They have what I need. Alright, let's get this. Set this up. Let's set you guys right there. Tip this forward. Alright. Ready for this? I know I am. First unboxing on this channel too, by the way. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so I don't know if it's because this is fucking. I've been ordering so much shit from them lately, but I got stickers from them. I love stickers. And 2 magazines. This so far, I've spent so much money with freaking. Toss that crap over there. Oh shit. I did that. Mind you, we ain't gonna be able to do anything with these just yet, not until I get the freaking bolts in. So comment if you know what the hell these are. Got the polyurethane rubber in them. Focus. There you go. Those are some decent quality ones. Then the motor mounts for the wonderful 5.0. I'm gonna put these. Then, yeah, because it didn't come with one, I got a clutch alignment tool as well. And holy fuck, here's the heaviest one. Say goodnight to the fucking back end. I know I probably should do this in the box and leave it alone for the time being so it doesn't fucking flash rust or anything like that, but I'm impatient like a motherfucker. I can't do that shit. Oh yeah. Damn. And then brand new fucking Ford Performance, your flywheel. So then the other box must have the good stuff in. We're gonna wrap this back up. Nothing's getting done with this until that transmission's done, so I'm gonna wrap this back up. Using $12 fucking tape on this shit. I'm a fucking idiot. So, there's the flywheel. I'm gonna have to move you guys now. Put you somewhere else. There we go. Box number 2. Another heavy ass box. Alright, let's see. There we go. Perfect. Alright, now let's get this one open. This one here must have all the good stuff in it. Yeah. Look at this. We got amazing bubble wrap. Alright, that's it. Yeah, that's all I ordered was a bubble wrap. Oh yeah. Make sure that's the right one. And then toss that shit over there. Like, they use so much packaging in their stuff, it's ridiculous. But I have not had anything show up damaged. Alright. So we'll start with the smaller box first. We'll get it open, check it, make sure everything's okay. As most you can read from the fucking top. Comes with a wiring kit, zip ties, and then we got, ooh, this looks so fucking nice. We got the starter. This is the Power Master Performance Power Max starter. From, you know, what I looked up, his reviews were pretty decent. And the price, you know, of it wasn't too bad. I think this was like 130. I think, but which wasn't really bad, and especially since I'm cutting it kind of close on money with all the shit that I'm doing. So I went for the one with the best reviews, and that seemed, you know, like the most logical reason. Now, this is what I'm most excited about once I can figure out how to open the box. As you can read, performance parts have no warranty. So, I mean, this is nothing extreme, it's nothing crazy. It's a single disc Ford Performance organic clutch. Once again, this is through freaking Summit Racing. I got this clutch right here, brand new, single disc. That it came with a brand new throwout bearing. Which, once again, another Ford Performance part, which seems like it's a decent build quality. I'm not going to open it and get, you know, fingerprints and all that crap on it right now because I'm not installing it just yet. And then I can get the other thing out of the box. Holy fuck, is it heavy? We got our pressure plate. So, seems decent. Really, really nice actually. But this is what's going in the car. We got a Ford Performance clutch. Let me. There we go. So we have a Ford Performance clutch that's going in. That's going. You're matching up with this T5 transmission. The reviews I read on it, it's not a bad clutch. It's not a bad price point for something if you're building something. And I mean, this is kind of running into a little more of an expensive build, but it's kind of a budget build as well because I'm looking for reasonable parts. I do my research on stuff, and the stuff I buy, it doesn't have bad reviews really. Matches up with the motor I have, and it seems like it would be a legit combination together, like the Excel, or the Excel or your distributor. Most people run MSD, which okay, but MSD is like $300-400 fucking distributor. My power steering pump it's a remanufactured power steering pump on this motor. Brackets, most of them are brand new. Besides the alternator bracket, but I ordered that one off eBay and I instantly regretted it when I broke it. So I got a new one of those coming in the mail, which should be here freaking end of this week. Most of the shit on my motor is either Ford Racing, Ford Performance, or of some sort of reasonable sort. And I do my research on stuff. I don't just put freaking junk. I don't want to put junk on this motor because I am building it and freaking I want it to be legit freaking running. I want to drop this in my 87 and have it last a good while. Granted, shit might break. Okay, I get that. Freaking, especially when I do get it together, I do plan on eventually trying to race the car. So, but I mean, other than that, like the transmission's used. Okay, I have plans for that come next winter. I'm gonna drive it, with that transmission until next winter. Come fall, when I take the car off the road, 'cause I live in New York. It snows. I'm not gonna drive a fucking sports car, V8 sports car, in the fucking snow. That's coming out of the car come freaking next winter. So this clutch only has to last me this summer. If I get it running this summer. And that transmission is going to get rebuilt next winter. The guy I bought it off of said it was a good transmission. Freaking he pulled it out of a running, working car. And there was no issues with the transmission when it was pulled. Okay. I'm going to throw it in with, I'm going to match it up with this 302. And I'm going to go down the road with it. Come next winter, next fall, when the fuck ever. That's getting pulled back out. I'm going to pull it, drop it. I'll do the build on it. I'm going to get all billet gears and billet parts for that thing to withstand upwards of 600 horsepower. If not more. Because I know billet, they can withstand more than the factory fucking transmission. That only can withstand, I think it's 300 foot-pounds of torque. I'm not sure what this motor's going to put out yet. If I can get somewhere out of that freaking stock transmission, so be it. Cool. But yeah. So we got our stuff in. I got more stuff coming. I can't start putting anything together until I get the rest of my shit. I'm waiting on my pilot bearing to show up, all my bolts for the motor mount, the transmission, and all that to bolt up to the motor. Next couple videos, we're going to be getting this motor off the stand finally. And up in the air with the skylift. And then freaking I need, I'm going to find someone to come over here, help me. We're going to line the transmission up with the motor. We're going to freaking get it paired together finally and then load it in the back of my pickup within the next couple weeks. And we're going to take it over and drop it in my car. From that point, I don't know what I'm going to do. I still need a wire harness and ECU. Those are the two main things that I absolutely fucking need and freaking vacuum lines. But that's, that can be done freaking, later down the road. I'm gonna plug up half of them anyways. You only need, I think, like a handful of them to fucking actually run the car. But yeah, I got stuff coming in to kind of button up this motor, and then we're gonna start working on getting the motor and the tranny paired together. And then I want to drop it in the car as one piece. I got the polyurethane transmission mount coming for the tranny. That should be here next, on the 6th, along with all the bolts and shit for the freaking motor mounts. 2 separate fucking orders, which I'm kicking myself in the ass for that. I got a new, the new alternator bracket and the PCV valve supposed to be here this week. That's got, the alternator bracket's got to get repainted because it's a brand new one. It's got to get painted, sand it, and then repaint it again. Get out any imperfections. And then that's got to get slapped on the car. Alternator's got to get put back on. Belt's got to get put back on. The tensioner's got to get put back on. And then the PCV valve, I got to run the wires, or the hoses for that shit. But I only got the PCV valves so far. I still got to get all the hoses and shit. I need to figure out what I'm doing for gas lines with this motor. The guy I bought the transmission off, he has a wire harness that I'm going to get off him. So I should have that. Might take a ride out there this week to go pick it up. Yeah, we're moving along here. It's only been 2 months. So now just remember that you want to build a car, shit's not cheap. But on that note, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to finish painting this transmission that you guys will see probably in the video before this. I'm not sure yet. Or I might just hold off on the transmission video until I get the all the new stuff for that. Because I'm getting a shifter, clutch fork, and all that shit. So I might combine all of them into one video. Painting and so forth. So you'll probably see this video before you see the transmission video. Because on the 6th I got a new shifter and all that shit. New speed sensor gear, freaking clutch fork. Got the throwout bearing in there. And the pivot ball that sits on. I got that. That's new because I don't want to run that shit. It's old, it's abused, and it's probably worn out by now. The clutch fork has a shitload of play in it, and I'm just gonna trash it, and it's done for. But alright, I will catch you guys on the next video.